Olivia down here has a 3/8 cover, which is designed for smoother applications like slick wall. 3/4, actually she's got a 3/4, Shane's got a 3/8.
The 3/8 generic,
on how they're
3/4 Purdy.
I got the of each one too.
Oh, did you?
But y'all notice, look at Olivia's, the finish that Olivia's getting. Creating like a little bit of an orange peel stipple.
Yeah.
Y'all noticing that? But you look at Shane's.
Shane's is a little more smooth.
On Shane's and Olivia's.
Her coverage. Yeah, I see the little orange peel. Shane's a little smoother.
Look, when
you apply with a roller, when you're applying with a roller, your paint, you get your paint on there. When you're applying with a roller, your paint, you get your paint on there. You roll it off the edge to even your paint out on your nap. And then when you're getting ready to paint, this is a fresh wall right here. We're going to start this way and move to the right. You give yourself a couple of nap area, per se, like this. And you're going to make a V or a W. It depends on how big your nap, how much paint it holds. But the proper way to roll is you start with a W. The point is to put your first excess paint. If you can see, it's super thick right there because that's where I started. I come down and I'm coming back up and you're starting to lose some of your paint, which is a good thing. So you're coming down, you're coming back up. Say we're going to do a whole wall. You go from top to bottom when you roll. There, you go over. You're starting to move into where your thicker paint is because you're starting to lose paint this way as you come into it. Now, as you can tell on your side, let me get here so you can see. As you can tell on my side, now I'm starting to lose paint on my nap. I know that I've went far enough this way. Now I need to smooth it all together. You go back into what you've already applied. And this is also called back rolling, which you do as well. It's to be sure you're smoothing all your paint out. You're not leaving no holidays. Say I stop right there and I'm calling that done. Here's an area that I missed. That's what we call a holiday. Obviously, you see that, you want to go back over it because you didn't get no paint on it, which is fine. If you got to stand there 5 times and do this, that's fine. But in the final, when you're done, you go.
Follow and subscribe for more.